welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I have an unboxing today. Now this is another one of those not quite a diamond painting items. I'm not sure which one it is. I do have a few on their way for various different things, and partly because they're a little bit of fun. They're fun little projects that don't take a lot of time and they just look good. So anyway, without further ado, let's have a look at which one this is. So this is another notebook, which you may be able to tell by the items in it. Now I've got two notebooks. Which one's this one? This one is a feather. So can you see that one? So it's a feather notebook. Again, it comes in a little zipper pouch, very similar to what my last one did. It is from a different seller, but again it is still from AliExpress. We've got a little imprint from the boat this time, but nowhere near as much as last time. But this one is not lined. So that part is a little bit disappointing for what I was planning on using it for. But that's still fine. Like, it isn't a matter that it said it was lined, and it wasn't. So I'm definitely not going to kick up any type of fuss about that. This took the grand sum of 10 days to get to me, which I think is pretty good. It was £3.94 and it cost me 35p shipping. So a total of £4.29 for this little notebook. Let's have a look at the rest. So the toolkit, a very, very basic toolkit, single placer, a boat and a piece of wax. Can't get more simple than that. And then we have some diamonds. We do look to have some very nice pretty diamonds in with this. Oh, let me get past the noise. So to start from, we have some of these little diamonds that I had, what did I have? Oh, on my little pencil case. So they look like those, it's very similar to the little buttons that you used to have as a child on your cardigans. We've got those in sort of a pinky red and in a yellow. And then we've also got them in a pink. We've got some white that look like pearls. So little pearls in white. And then we've got some of your standard shiny gems in red and in blue and in orange and purple and yellow. So I think that is going to be another fun little project. It'll be good to see how that comes out, but really for a total of £4.29, I think that's a really fun little project, even if the notebook isn't lined, which is a little bit disappointing, but it's fine, because what I'll do is I'll change things up, and my little cactus one that I haven't yet taken to work that is lined, I'm going to use for YouTube videos, ideas, all that sort of stuff to note down. And this one I'll just use for something else. But it's a nice design, it's nice quality. It is again sort of an A5. But maybe this one can be more of a sort of sketch and scribble notebook. I'm not sure if it's a bit thinner. I think it is a little bit thinner than the other one. But as I say, it's still really nice quality paper. And it's all about doing the pretty design on the front anyway, isn't it? So that's just a quick unboxing for me on this one. As I say, it's from AliExpress. I will pop the link in the description below. But this took a total of 10 days to get to me in the UK, and it cost me the grand sum of £4.29. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.